Have you been looking for a car mount that can hold even your hefty iPad while charging? One that won't delaminate and damage your car? One that won't come unglued or taped even with permanent double-sided tape? iPads are heavy and can overcome even the strongest adhesives. A solution for this comes from Motorsport, as they've created a non-invasive, non-damaging, easy to install magnetic mount for our cars. This isn't sponsored, I just wanted to make a video on a solution to my problem that I was having. They offer 3 different magnetic heads for their mounts. The traditional magnetic only one like I have here, a MagSafe head, and then also a cradle to set your phone into. Install is incredibly simple and just needs a T20 Torx screwdriver or ratchet and a nylon pry bar. We just need to remove this one large piece and the piece that slots into it on the right side. The nylon pry bar is used for removing this side panel. It is held in with just 4 tabs that press into the side here and will easily come out with just a little bit of prying pressure at the top, sides, and closer to the bottom. Once removed, just leave it hanging onto the side. Once the side panel is removed, it's time to remove the much larger piece. Starting at the right side, use gentle but consistent pressure to pull the panel away and work your way around pulling it out of its tabbed slots until it comes off. And I know I make this look easier than it will be for you, but I've taken this thing off like, I don't know, a dozen times or so now, so I'm pretty used to it. Now we just need to grab our T20 Torx driver and remove this one screw on the upper left-hand side of the glove box. With it removed, grab the Motorsport mount and slide it behind the glove box plastic and reinsert your T20 screw. Now just take the magnetic mount, unscrew the retaining nut on the back, press the magnetic head on the ball, and then screw the retaining nut back on to tighten the magnetic head down. Now, simply put the glove box cover, or whatever you want to call this piece, back on by aligning the mounting clips to their respective holes and then push it back in with moderate force. Once the pad is back on, quickly snap the right side panel cover on and it's done and ready to go. Now you can simply grab your phone, tablets, or other random magnetic device and toss it on and it should hold just fine for you. And that's all for today's short video. I had looked into making this almost exact mount before finding it online, but the cost for the supplies to do so would have been almost as much as the cost to just buy this one, and 3D printing one didn't seem like a good idea for something that stays in the heat of a car. So I bought it and I've been loving having it for, when I'm chilling and sitting at a supercharger for an hour. I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link for the one I have here, as well as a link to their website in the description below. As always, if you like the content I'm putting out, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all new content as it comes out. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.